Cut 3 potatoes into sticks about 360 grams. 1 finely chopped carrot about 50 grams. 1 diced capsicum about 80 grams. Cut 1 onion into petals about 90 grams. Half inch finely chopped ginger. Finely chopped 5 garlic cloves. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe. Now wash the potatoes. Now add 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and mix it well. Now add 75 ml of water and mix it well. Now take a pot and add oil for deep fry. Gently drop 1 by 1 potato sticks. And fry till it's golden brown on medium flame. Once done, keep it aside. Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add ginger, garlic, onion, capsicum, carrot, and let it cook on medium to low flame for 7 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon Schezwan Chutney, 1 tablespoon Tomato Ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon Dark Soy Sauce, and mix it well on low flame. Add 100 ml of water and mix it well. Now in a bowl take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, add 50 ml of water and mix it well. And add the corn flour slurry into the pot. Mix it well on low flame. Now add the fried potato sticks. Now turn off the flame and mix it well. And garnish with sesame seeds. And our potato chili is ready to eat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!